Hi friends, in this video we discuss about how to use shorthand if in Python. See, it's simple. If you have one statement, if you have one statement in if condition, then this can be used very easily. So it is called a shorthand if statement. If you have a equals to 10, b equals to 20, if b is greater than a, see, column, print a is smaller, a is smaller than b. Okay, this is about the shorthand statement. Let's save it. If you have multiple lines of code, then that cannot be excluded. See, the A is smaller than B. I think you understand. This is the story about shorthand if statement. If you have only one statement to execute, you can put it on same line as the if statement. I think you understand what I'm saying here. The next video I'll tell you about shorthand if statement how to use. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.